Desert adventurers, stop! Before you hit the trails in Ocotillo Wells or the dunes of Glamis, you need to know this. Trailer brake failure, tire blowouts, and suspension collapse are the top reasons trailers break down on the road. And one of the biggest causes of brake failure starts right here with improper bearing maintenance. You might think adding grease through these Zerk fittings is maintenance, but when you pump until grease comes out the front, you've gone too far. You've created dangerous pressure inside the hub. That pressure blows out the rear seal, forcing grease onto your brake drums and pads. This contamination makes your brakes fail, sometimes completely. It's a major safety hazard. Trailer manufacturers recommend your bearings be repacked every 12 months or 12,000 miles to replace old, broken down grease. Don't gamble with safety. At GoRigworx, our service is comprehensive. We're a full trailer repair and maintenance company. When we perform a bearing repack, we also do a complete trailer safety inspection, including trailer electrical wiring, checking the condition of your leaf springs, shackles, and frame structure for dangerous cracks or wear. We ensure your entire suspension system is safe and sound. The best part? We're 100% mobile. We come to your home, storage unit, or yard to perform the repair, covering San Diego and Temecula. Call GoRigworx today. We'll ensure your trailer is desert ready and your family is safe. Plus, for your motorhome or large rig, we are CARB licensed to perform your mobile clean truck checks, including OBD and Opacity tests, so you never have to take your rig anywhere.